So, what are the types of forex analysis? So, there are mainly two types of forex analysis. And the first type is fundamental analysis, the second is technical analysis. Now, what it means, the first one means is a type of analysis where you analyze the market based off of news events, news, things that are happening around the world, governments, policies, exchange rates, interest rates, things that are happening globally that affects the prices of things in the market of the forex currencies, right? So if something is going on in America, for I know America is the US dollar. So if something is going on there, let's say something like war or a crisis or maybe uh, an economic situation is going on there, you can expect that to affect the prices of the market. So for example, if the US dollar is let's say the US dollar is about, let's say euro USD is about let's say the price is 1.2, right? So let's say something happens in the USA, maybe like war or crisis, something bad happens in the USA that may affect the dollar negatively. So what would happen is, if this is euro and this is USD, and the news affected the US dollar negatively, so we expect USD to go down. So when you look at your USD will go down while euro goes up. So mainly this currency, because it's not just a single currency, it's a currency pair. So it's a combination of two currencies. So mainly if USD is going down, euro will go up. So mainly euro USD, the price of euro USD would go up, right? So the price of euro USD might go to maybe something like 1.3, right? 1.25 or maybe even 1.4, right? So this is basically how fundamental analysis affects the market. This can happen for any pair. So let me use another example to explain this. So we know there are many majors, right? Majors are USD pairs. So let's say we have something like USD CAD, or no, let's say USD JPY, right? USD JPY, right? And the price is about $120 or 120 points basically. So 120 point something, blah blah blah, right? So let's say a news comes out that affects the dollar negatively. So we expect USD JPY, you expect USD, the USD on its own to go down, and then we expect if this is going down, that means JPY has to go up, right? Because this is a combination of two pairs. If one has to go down, while the other one has to go up. So if this one is going down, this one has to go up, and if this one is going down, USD has to go up, right? If this is, sometimes this would might JPY might be the reason for it moving in a particular direction. Sometimes it might be USD that might cause it to move in a particular direction, right? So you have to understand that when you're looking at currency pairs, you don't just look at one individual pair. You have to look at it as a whole, as a JP, as the so USD JPY. You have to look at it as a whole. You have to know what is happening on the United States dollar and also what is happening on the Japanese yen. So that is fundamental analysis. Now, when it comes to technical analysis, you don't need to look at what is going on in the market based off of news. What you basically need is just the market data, the price action that's going on the chart. So you just need those candlesticks, those lines. This is what you need, those things that you see on the charts. And it's basically analyzing the market based on price patterns. So there are certain patterns that show up on the charts that indicates where market might go at a specific time, or for example, there's a pattern called an M and W formation. So basically what it means is when the market forms something like an M, you can expect the market to go down. And when the market forms something that looks like a W, you can expect the market to go up, right? So there are certain price patterns that help you predict where the market is going to go, right? So it helps you make calculated decisions, right? Certain patterns show up that might indicate that the market is about to go up, or the market is about to go down. And that is what technical analysis is. So these are the main types of technical of forex analysis, right? The best type to me personally is this. A lot of people like to combine the two together, right? But there are people that use only the technical analysis, there are people that use only fundamental analysis, and there are people that use both analysis. All right, so it's all based on your personal preference or your field of knowledge if you want to pick one or choose the two, right? So that's basically how forex analysis is.